I'm Dalton DeGriff, and I did pickup product comparisons. I did all half-ton 1500 four-door pickups. First of all, I did horsepower and torque. The Chevy with the 5.3 liter had 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. The Ford with the 5.0 had 385 horsepower and 387 foot-pounds of torque. The Dodge with the 5.7 had 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. The Toyota with the 5.7 had 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque. Fuel economy, Chevy with the 5.3 averages for the city 15 miles per gallon, and the average for the highway is 20 miles per gallon. Ford with the 5.0 averages 15 on the highway, 15 on the city, and highway 22. Fuel economy for the Dodge 5.7 was city 15 miles per gallon and highway 22 miles per gallon. The Toyota with also the 5.7 had city of 13 and highway of 17 miles per gallon, which is the lowest out of the four vehicles I chose. Towing capacity with the Chevy with the 5.3 was 6,300 pounds. The Ford with the 5.0 was 9,000 pounds. The Dodge with the 5.7 with 10,620, and Toyota with 8,800 pounds. Curb weight of the Chevy was 5,300 pounds. The Ford with the 5.0, which also had the aluminum body, which was the only one out of the four with the aluminum, weighed 4,305 pounds. And the Dodge 5.7 weighed 4,516 pounds. The Toyota with 5.7 weighed 5,380 pounds. Legroom, Chevy with the 5.3 with the front seats had 45.9 inches, and the back seats had 40.9 inches. The Ford with the 5.0, the fronts had 43.9 inches, and the back had 43.6 inches, which is overall the biggest cab out of the four. Dodge had 41 inches in the front and 40.3 inches in the back. Toyota had 42.5 in the front and 42.3 in the back. Overall, I think the Ford with the aluminum bed and the 5.0 liter was overall the best because, in my opinion, it was the best because it could tow a good fair amount, which also had good fuel economy and lots of space in the cab. Next, the Ford also had a good enough amount of power and torque to do what most humans would need, or most people around here would need it for. Next, I would pick the Chevy because it's the stylish looking pickup and it can get the job done and had good fuel economy, and the towing capacity was kind of low for it being a full-size pickup. But next, the Dodge I would pick with the 5.7. It could tow the most, so if I was going to be towing, I would pick that, but I'm not going to be towing anything, and it could tow a lot and gets overall pretty good fuel economy also. Lastly, I picked the Toyota because it weighs the most. And the fuel economy was junk on it. It was not good at all. Low compared to every other one. And had the same exact engine, or same liter engine as the Dodge, but put out way less horse and way less foot-pounds.